Good morning, South Texas. Meteorologist Faith Colbert here with your updates. We have a lot of different things going on as far as the forecast is concerned. So going to go ahead and jump into how things are about to start playing out here for us. So for starters, we're going to go ahead and start on how right now looks. We have temperatures in the mid 50s as well as feels like, so a little bit warmer than what we were yesterday, but overall still pretty chilly. Still need that jacket as you're heading outside. Winds are northeast moving 10 miles per hour. Dew point is also on the rise. We started yesterday, dew point about upper 30, so that's also increasing, but still not going to be the most humid time of day. Expecting that to be Thursday, so have a little bit of time before we get there. Overall, regardless, everyone in the coastal bend are seeing temperatures mid 50s. Those of us along the coast even have a chance of seeing some 60s right now. As far as the day continues, we are expecting highs in the upper 50s, maybe even notice some low 60s come into play. That'll also kind of happen if we do have a little bit of those sunshine starting to peek through. So sun may have a chance of coming through in between the clouds. That's also looking like more evening heading into those sunset hours. So it's not going to be an all day thing. Mostly cloudy conditions will be the case for us. As far as that's concerned. As far as moisture, we're still going to be dry, so not expecting much rain, or if you do, maybe a small drizzle. That's not going to be the case for tomorrow evening or the rest of the week, though. We noticed that little shift that you saw with more of that Pacific winds and moisture, more of that Atlantic and Gulf moisture coming in is actually from that front that we had this weekend. So Sunday we had that cold front come in, brought cooler temperatures. That's actually been hanging around at the bottom of Texas, becoming a stationary front, just waiting for the perfect opportunity to reappear and re-show itself. Now that's looking like not necessarily Wednesday morning, still looking dry. That's when we notice those isolated showers start to move into play, as well as that high pressure system moving to the southeast. But Wednesday evening, that's when rain chances really start to crank up Wednesday evening heading into Thursday. Also because, once again, that stationary front is going to push up and become a warm front. That's kind of why we're going to see temperatures reflect that, expecting upper 70s, even some low 80s by Thursday for that high. But that cold front is shortly right behind it for Friday, going to cool us down a bit. Now, by cool down, once again, this isn't going to be an impressive cold front, looking very weak. We're expecting temperatures to drop about 5 degrees, so about a high of mid 70s, 75 by Friday. And then we're still going to have that isolated showers into play Friday evening heading into Saturday until we see that next front return. Now, rain chances are still going to be in play because that once again becomes a stationary front. So we have kind of this seesaw and this roller coaster effect of these fronts coming in and out. But then once again, once that one comes Sunday, expecting that to clear out, bringing us to Monday, we're hoping for those cloudy conditions to return to partly sunny. As far as rain is concerned, Wednesday evening is looking like the greatest chance of rain. So if you have any outdoor activities, that's when we're going to kind of want to plan and make sure you're staying safe as far as that's concerned. Now, Thursday, more so isolated. That's going to be Thursday morning, and we start to fade away, have a little break for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, crank right back up into isolated. But that second front that moves in looks a little bit drier than the first one. So rain chances aren't as impressive. As far as winds are concerned, not going to be as windy Wednesday, but as you can see, Thursday, gusts could be near 43 miles per hour. So ladies certainly want to make sure you have extra eyelash glue. If you're hanging any Christmas decorations up, make sure they're in place. Or if you have any loose outdoor furniture, Thursday is the day you want to make sure that you're looking out for. We'll have a strong south flow of winds, even sustained winds reaching near 30 miles per hour. And then Friday, they still start to taper down a little bit. Gusts could still be in the 20s. So we have some breezy conditions on the way, South Texas. As far as morning temperatures are concerned, I'm the type of person that's always cold, so probably going to have my sweater on each day this week, even though we have 2 cold fronts coming into play. Not going to be that impressive. Thursday, Friday, still starting the morning off with temperatures in the low 60s for us. Another thing we're looking at is because of this increased moisture and that warm front coming in, this is also going to allow for more humid conditions. So humid along with rain, yes, that does equal lots of mosquitoes. So that's what we're going to be primarily looking forward to Thursday. It's going to be very humid and starting to die down from there. We'll notice that each front, so when that front comes in Friday, we'll see the spike come up and then we'll see it go right back down heading into Monday with more drier air returning for us in the coastal bend. As far as your marine forecast looks, it looks nice. If you do want to hit the water, low rip current risk is going to be in effect, waves around 3 feet. Winds are still going to be 15 miles per hour, but overall, it's not going to be too bad. Bays are going to have a slight chop out there to occasionally rough for you for your Tuesday. And we have about 2 more days left. Hurricane season ends November 30th, so a few more days left of hurricane season, but right now we're looking quiet. No tropical activities expected for the next 7 days. As far as lows, when you're starting tomorrow off, it's going to pretty much be the same repeat. Although we notice Beaver, you guys are going to start the morning off a little bit chillier, 49 for your low in the morning. Winds will also be pretty similar. Once again, picking up a little bit for those sustained winds, north-northeast 8 to 17 miles per hour. Now, once again, your 7-day forecast, yes, those are Christmas lights. Thanksgiving is now over, so preparing for that. Not much Christmas-like weather, but we're getting there, getting cooler temperatures in the forecast. If you're looking for the warmest day of the week, go ahead and plan that to be Thursday. That's also going to be the windiest day. That first week front comes in Thursday evening into Friday morning. We kind of once again dry up over the weekend. Rain chances are still there, so not 100% out of the clear, more so looking isolated to minimal for that. And then by Sunday, heading into the new week, that's when conditions look to start to dry up for the most part as temperatures settle down a bit into 70 degrees for that high, about 53 for the low Monday. So we have a lot going on this week as far as the weather is concerned, but a few things to keep in mind for the week continues. Next cold front is only days away, expecting that to be Friday, but rain chances start tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. As far as cloudy conditions, yes, we're still going to have clouds into play. It's going to be very gloomy for us in South Texas, but there's going to be a small chance for sun to peek in here and there. But overall, we have a fun forecast coming up for us. So if you're heading out today, just make sure you're staying safe. Winds aren't going to be that strong. This will be the cooler days that we have left out the week. So overall, I want to make sure that we're prepared for that. And certainly thank you so much for staying updated with our weather forecast. Going to make sure we have our full weather updates on our website as well. So make sure you're staying updated with us on the app and online with us. And thank you guys so much. Have a great Tuesday.